Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Fit Me for Life, a place where you will find tips and inspiration for a balanced life and learn how to make a house a home. I am your host Stephanie and I'm here to show you how a happy mom makes a happy home. So today I have a very special recipe to share with you guys. It's something that I grew up eating and most African countries, I believe, eat this kind of food. It's a street food, if I have to say. And it's called Beignets Koki in French or in our language, or people might call it Akara or Akara. I'm not very sure, but those are the names they are known for. This recipe is made out of black eyed pea. I'm sure you guys have seen black eyed peas. And if you're on a keto diet, if you're a vegetarian, if you're a vegan, if you are plant-based, if you're on the plant-based diet, this is something that you will love eating. And it's very easy to make, and all it takes is a little work in the beginning to clean the beans, and that's what I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you how to do it today. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is take these beans out of the package, and I will put them in a bowl. Let me show you. And soak them in water for about an hour or two. And I'm just going to let them rest over here for about an hour. Hanging out in our kitchen, the same old thing we did last week. A lot of things to cook, nothing else to do. We all are bored. We all are bored. Happy Friday.
No, we don't love bored.
Yes, you're bored.
I don't love bored.
What are you talking about?
I don't.
What, do you even know what bored means?
No, and I don't like it.
She doesn't like being bored. So do I. Hey guys, we are back. It's been more than an hour now, and our beans have been soaking in the water, and I think it's time that we can clean it up. Before we clean it up, we have to blend it so that it's easy to clean and take all these black little things that black eyed peas take their names from. So that what I'm gonna do is put that in my blender and blend and just pulse it. So I'm just gonna put it in the blender with lots of water. Let's see how I'll do this. You just want to break them a little bit. And I think this is good. You see? Not if you can see it. Some of them still have their coating, but we're gonna take care of it. It doesn't have to be perfect. And yeah. So I'm gonna finish doing the rest, and I'll get back with you soon. So now I'm done blending them. My beans, it's now time to clean them up, to get rid of the shell that's around it and the black little things. And the way I was taught how to do it is to get 2 large bowls, and I will divide it in 2. I'll divide the beans into the 2 large bowls, and let me show you how. So this one has water, and this one does not have water. The water. The purpose is to get rid of these little things. I hope you can see it. You see there's no beans, it's just the shell. All right, so let me show you how I do it. Pass it down. You see all that's on top? It's just shelling. It's just gonna be so easy to clean once you mix, once you blend everything. You see? Almost half of it is gone. And then you just repeat the same thing on the other side. So you can use the same water, you know, you don't waste water. It's very water efficient. All right, so just do the same thing here. You see all this? This is just shelling. You see, almost half of it is gone already. So you're just gonna repeat the process until, you know, it's up to you, until it's clean as you want. You know, it doesn't have to be perfect. So now everything has been cleaned to my satisfaction. I'm gonna rinse them with fresh water, because the water that I have been using is the water that I soak them in. So you just want to make sure that they're clean. And that's exactly what I'm gonna do here. To do the last rinse, using fresh water. And pass it through here again. As you can see, there's nothing. It's completely clean. It's perfectly clean. All right, now it's time to blend our beans. It's time to blend the beans, and I'm gonna blend these without water because they're kind of soft and they will be perfect. Just to let you know, you can purchase the beans already clean in certain Asian market or international markets. Right, so it's time to blend. I'm just gonna put some beans here, and like I said, I'm not gonna put water in it. I'm just gonna put half, and I'm gonna put some onions. Blend it very well. So all right, guys, so I'm done blending the mixture, and this is the beans, and this is what the dough looks like. I hope you can see it. You see, it's a bit thick. And if you don't have a powerful mixer, you know, you can add water just to help along the process of blending. Because my machine is not that bad, so I can afford blending this without water. But you might not have a powerful machine, so add water. But make sure you don't add too much water, because you know you're gonna mess up your recipe. All right, so now it's time to add our spices, and it just takes a few. You saw how I blended it with onions, and you need to add salt. Just make sure add salt to taste, because you know not everybody likes to have salt, you know, or some people might have health issues. So just make sure you taste it. But if you want to be like regular, and you taste it and you feel it feels just right, it will not be enough. Just add some more, you know, just a little bit more. And one other thing that I add that you don't have to, is white pepper, straight from Cameroon. So just a little bit to give it a bit of a kick. Blend everything, and it's ready to be fried. I get a spoon like that. And just slowly, so there's no splash, add it in. I hope you can see it. Oh, smells good already. All right, guys, so I am done frying all of my Akara beignet, like IP beignet, however you want to call it. So it's time to check. Let's see. if you can see this. Again, anyway, it looks good. It is very spongy. It's not wet inside. Let me try. You should try this. It's perfect. Made to perfection. Thank you guys for stopping by again. Thank you for watching. And if you guys try this, please send me some pictures, some videos, because I would love to see what you guys have done. And if you like this kind of video, please give this video a thumbs up so I know that this is the kind of video that you guys want me to do. So again, thank you, and I'll see you next time. And please don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.